Our chief Washington correspondent, George Stephanopoulos, host of This Week, joins us now. George, I gather the White House felt sort of ambushed by this.
Boy, they sure did, Charlie, because they had been working with the insurance industry. And in the short run, this report could feed into the fears of the public about increased costs, but it's also likely to stiffen the spine of Democrats who've wanted to get even tougher on the insurance industry with premium caps or the public option. And you're likely now to see the White House not getting in the way of those Democrats.
As Jake mentioned, we've got a key vote in the Senate Finance Committee tomorrow. A lot of people wondering if any Republican, particularly Olympia Snowe of Maine, will go along with this bill and whether Democrats will be united behind it.
Charlie, Olympia Snowe is the big question mark, the senator from Maine. She hasn't told anyone how she's going to vote. There are a couple of Democrats as well, Senators Ron Wyden and Jay Rockefeller, who haven't said how they're going to vote either, but both Senate Democratic leaders and the White House insist that they have the votes to get this out of the Senate Finance Committee tomorrow.
And then what happens, George? Does the Senate Finance Committee bill become the template for what will be debated by the Senate and House, or does it undergo further revision?
A lot more changes, Charlie. In fact, now the hard part really starts. You've got 3 committees in the House that have passed bills and 2 committees in the Senate. Nancy Pelosi, the Speaker, is going to take those 3 House bills, knit them into one unified bill. She's going to try to do that over the next 2 weeks. Senator Harry Reid is going to do the same exact thing in the Senate, both working with the White House, and they hope to bring these unified bills to the floor of their bodies around October 26. And Charlie, there's going to be some fierce floor fights then.
And the one thing that the insurance company feared the most at the beginning was a public option, whether there would be a public-run insurance option for people. Could that come back into the mix?
It really could, Charlie. The Democrats in the House have not given up on it at all. So have many plurality of Senate Democrats as well. The fight is still going to be tough. But I actually think what happened today actually increases the chances that some kind of public option will make it into the final legislation.